Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shavonne and welcome. I'd love it if you went ahead and hit that subscribe button and click that notification bell. That way you don't miss out on any of my eyeshadow tutorials or my story times. Also, if you haven't already, you should go ahead and hop over to Instagram and go ahead and follow me at Shavonne.Richie. So today's look, I want to incorporate a lot of the chocolates, the rich chocolates, lots of shimmers. And plus it's a new year. Happy New Year to everybody. It's January 1st. I hope y'all all got your vision boards put together and you're focused on your goals and the achievements you want to accomplish this new year. So I want to stick with the whole sparkly, pizzazzy type theme for New Year's Eve and New Year's. So I want to use a lot of metallic colors. And I really enjoy the deep chocolates and the caramels and the kind of like rusty browns and things like that. So I want to incorporate that into this look. And today I also paired my Nadia lashes, my Nadia 3D Mink lashes. So without further ado, let's continue on to the eyeshadow tutorial. Okay, so I've already carved out this eyebrow, and what I'm going to do now is add concealer to the lid so that way our eyeshadow stays in place. I really wanted to stick with a lot of the fall colors because I love the chocolates, the rich chocolates and caramel or caramel, however you like to pronounce it, shades. So that's what I'm sticking with today on this eyeshadow look. And we're going to go in with the Take Me to Ibia BH Cosmetic palette. And we're going to try to do mostly metallics. So I want to stick with the whole it being New Year's now today. Oh, by the way, Happy New Year's to everybody. I hope everyone's made their vision boards and is ready to take on 2021. We definitely got to turn this bad look around that we've had since 2020. So now that we've already primed the eye with the concealer, we're going to go in with the BH Cosmetics Take Me to Ibiza palette, and we're going to use a lot of the metallics in this palette. So the first thing I'm going to do is and this may seem like I'm defeating the purpose, stacking certain colors on top of colors, but I'm going to explain to you why I'm doing that as well. So what we're going to do is go in with this color, and we're going to cover this entire eye, or the entire lid, I should say. Once we get that color on there, we're going to go in with this chocolate here. We're going to take that from the outer corner and pull it into our crease area. I like to set the colors first before I start pulling them out. The reason why I'm going in with this chocolate brown over the metallic I already laid down is because I wanted to still have that shimmer underneath, and I don't really have a regular chocolate brown in this palette that's metallic or shimmery. So we're just going to hit the inner corner with that brown and the outer corner, and then we're going to start pulling it out. And I'm just going to pack that color in there. With that same color, we're going to smoke out that lower lash line. And I'm just tapping off the excess on the brush, so that way there's not a lot of fallout to clean up. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to go in and I'm going to pick up two colors. So I'm going to hit this one twice, and with the same brush hit this one twice. And we're just going to pack that right on the center of the eye. I'm going to take those two colors again and add another layer until we get to the right brightness that we want. I think that looks pretty good right there. Then we're going to take that same color, but we're going to take a flat angle brush. And we're going to go in with this color here. And we're going to tight line just the lower center part here. We're just going to tight line that with that color. That area with that color. Now we're going to go in with another flat angle brush, and we're going to pick up this, and we're going to tight line the outer corner. Taking that same angle brush and that same black eyeshadow, we're going to lightly line the upper lid. Only to about the center of the eye. Now we're going to go in with this shade here, and we're going to put that on the brow bone. Now don't be stunned that it's like really dramatic, because we're going to fix that. We're going to get this all to merge together, but we just want to get this brow bone highlighted a little bit first. So now I'm going to go in with the BH Cosmetic 42 color matte palette. We are going to pick up this color here. And this is where we're going to bring these two shades together and soften up any harsh edges. Plus it'll help warm the eye up a little bit more. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take this color here, and we're just going to highlight the lower inner corner, like so. I'm going to take a smaller brush, and we're just going to dab this chocolate one more time and tap off a little bit of the excess, and we're just going to bring it right underneath that lash line. Kind of smoke it out a little bit more, and then what's left over we're just going to put in the crease of the eye. Now we're going to add a little mascara. I'm not going to go too heavy on my bottom lashes this time, because the lashes that we will be applying are not super thick, so we don't want to have the bottom lashes overpowering the top lashes. So today I've decided to pair my Nadia lashes with this look. She's very light and flirty, and she's tapered in the inner corners, and she flares at the outer corners. So this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, click that notification bell. That way you don't miss out on any of my story times or my eyeshadow tutorials. Also, like I said before, hop over there on Instagram and follow me at Shavonne.Richie, and I will see y'all again next time, and Happy New Year's.